Welcome to the Catskill Mountains, where tranquility meets breathtaking natural beauty. Today, we're excited to take you on a tour of a remarkable property nestled on about 9 acres, offering the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of life. As you approach the serene haven from the quiet town-maintained dirt road, the views just keep getting better. Let's take a closer look. Arrive at the heart of the property, where you'll find a 2-car garage, storage shed, and the true gem of this retreat, a 550 square foot cabin where cozy meets modern glamp-style living. Inside, the cabin welcomes you with an open living room kitchen area. It's a space that perfectly balances coziness and modern living. The kitchen is simple but efficient, equipped with a full sink, sweet new cabinetry, microwave, and refrigerator. And don't worry about chilly nights, a wood stove keeps you warm, and hot water is on demand. A sliding barn-style door leads to the bedroom and bathroom, with its shower and charming rustic vanity with pounded copper sink. Step outside and you'll find a pergola with bench seating, a fire pit for cozy evenings, and a hammock space to unwind while taking in the stunning views. The open lawn area in front of the structures is expansive and beautiful and features a raised bed garden plot. And if you're a nature enthusiast, you'll love the woods that ascend into the back of the property. The property also includes an RV site with electric and an outhouse, and a camper and shelter are also included to get you started. A rustic hot tub is also included, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. High-speed internet from Delhi Telephone Company is hooked up, ensuring you stay connected to the outside world while you immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. But that's not all. With the proximity to Bovina and the surrounding area, including ski centers, boutique shops, eateries, farmers markets, and cultural events, you'll have everything you need just a short drive away. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Schedule a private showing today and make this Catskill Mountain cabin your very own sanctuary. Your mountain escape is just a call away.